Right, so here's the takeoff distance required on the Cessna performance charts. So I've got a pressure height of 3,000 feet. I've got a shade temperature of 20 degrees. I've then drawn a line all the way up through to the next box, all the way through there. I've then come across and I've used takeoff weight of 1,000 kilograms. In the scenario I've selected, I've got a 10 knot headwind, so I've gone across from 1,000 to the 10 knot headwind. I've drawn up to the runway slope, which I've used level, so up to the level mark. Then we draw across to the runway surface, which I've used long dry grass. So we go across to there, that reference line there. Up following these reference lines, the same angle, up to this reference line, where we then go across until we intersect the line we drew previously, which gives us about 780 metres.